Hello everyone, welcome back to Shraddha One Stop English. I am your English teacher Raghavinder. In today's video, we will discuss about reading B from first unit in 10th class. The title of the reading is Every Success Story is Also a Story of Great Failures. Before going to venture into the topic directly, let us first try to fill our hearts with the spirit of success. Success is not something that we arrive in one day. It's not achieved or granted overnight. Success demands and commands hard work and perseverance. In this period, everybody needs to be successful in their life. Everyone is craving for success without knowing the secret of success. But success is not something that you can duplicate from others. You need to make your own way to making progress. Success is a milestone achieved after continuous efforts, continuous struggles, hardships, failures, pains, motivations, and repeated efforts. It is a journey of failures and successes. It is a long and steady process of hard work and commitment. Let me tell you that success is hidden in failure. One who dares to fail greatly and go ahead greatly. Our mistakes and failures teach us a lesson that how one can achieve greatness and success in life. Failure is a temporary delay but not a defeat. Success takes time to appear, so never lose heart at temporary delay of failures. The life of a person is full of ups and downs. Actually, life is not a bed of roses. So don't forget that there are obstacles and hindrances on the way to success. Never choose easy and comfortable path. The harder the circumstances, the more successful you are. All the great legendaries are the product of hard times and innumerable failures. They faced many problems in their life. History bears witness of thousands of great souls who suffered to an unimaginable extent during their lives. Those are very souls who led the world in the end. Those who not only changed their life but also brought a revolutionary change in the world in spite of failures. So never give up and never lose heart. One day the success definitely knock at your door. You are born to become victorious, but not the victims of circumstances. Like the law of gravity, negative forces and failures will always be around you, trying to pull you down. But there is a higher law of fight and confidence and efforts that leads to joyous achievement. Let us move forward to understand the lives of successful stories in the world. If we study history, it is full of success stories, but they are all stories of great failures. What is history? It is a record of past events, but the ordinary people don't find place in the record of history. H.W. Longfellow said, "Lives of great men all remind us we can make our lives sublime, and departing leave behind us footprints on the sands of time." Lives of great men all beacon lights. They guide us and they inspire us. Many people who had lost all hope and courage have been afflicted by some incidents from the lives of great men. Hence, it is very useful to read biographies and autobiographies of great persons. Failure is the initial step to success. It is a highway to success. History tells us that the people whose stories seem to successful are also stories of some of the biggest failures. They won the hearts of millions of people. It is always inspiring and refreshing to read their lives. Let us continue our reading. Failure is a highway to success, Tom Watson Sr. said. If you want to succeed, double your failure rate. You see, Thomas John Watson Sr., he was an American businessman. He served as the chairman and CEO of IBM, International Business Machines. Let us reflect his quote: double your failure rate. If you want to succeed, you need to understand how your failure rate can lead to success. Everyone wants to live a successful life. Nobody wants to live as a failure. However, failure is an important part of the success. Without failure, you can never truly achieve the success in your life. Most people shun failure because they think it is a bad thing. Our minds were programmed to believe that failure is bad. But we should all try to change our beliefs about failure and look at it as something good. It will something essential that will ensure a success in our life. There are many people who failed, then succeeded. So think, why should double your failure rate to achieve true success? Why falling is essential? Firstly, it is part and parcel of success because failure gives you experience and knowledge. In other words, when you win, you celebrate. But when you fail, you tend to ponder, you tend to reflect. It is the pondering that makes you better. We learn more from our mistake than from our successes. Secondly, failure builds character. If you notice the lives of successful personalities, they have a high failure rate, but in doing so, they build their characters, learn from their mistakes, and come back more stronger than the earlier. When you fail, you will reach deeper and understanding yourself better. When the tough times come, take it as a character building way. Next, failure shows you the right path. Success often comes from the result of making good decisions. To make good and right decisions, you need to have experience. But where does your experience come from? But judgments and failures teach you to get to the right path. But when a baby tries to walk, she will fall down many times before she finally gets it right. Will you stop the baby from walking? Not at all. In fact, you will encourage and teach her the right way. It is the same with treating all the failures in your life. You should look at failures as feedback that will get you to the right direction. There is a lot of essence in the failure, so that Tom Watson said, if you want to succeed, double your failure rate. The history reveals many lessons to the future generations. It always wants to educate the human beings. You see, those who are successful despite having failures in their lives, but people simply say they are lucky. If you study history, you will find that all stories of success are also stories of great failures. But people don't see the failures. They only see one side of the picture and they say that person got lucky. He must have been at the right place at the right time. There are two sides of every coin, heads and tails. Same is with the life, success and failure. How could be a coin with only one side? Never. It is not at all possible. Likewise, failure and success come along with each other. Generally, the human tendency only see the success part of story and not a failure part of a story. Many people think successful people had luck by chance. That is, he must be at the right place at right time. It is not the luck that made them successful, but their hard work and commitment, confidence and perseverance. With these qualities only, they became successful in their life. Swami Vivekananda said, "You are the creator of your own destiny. You yourself have to write your fate. Only the lazy people and escapists depend more on the luck." So, students, this is what the introduction of the lesson we discussed in this session. Let us meet in the next session. Until then, bye students.